Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video for y'all. And then today I'm going to be recording a video on these lash glue and liner by Kiss. I purchased this from Sephora. I believe it was about $15 or so. And I'm going to let you guys know my experience with putting on this. Is it easy? Is it hard? Is it manageable? Did it work? So I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. This is how it looks. It comes with the liner and glue and then the pack of lashes. I really am like ready to put on these lashes because I felt like they was giving me a dramatic little vibe. So I can't wait to try those on. So it says how to use apply glue liner along your lash line just like you apply eyeliner. Before the liner has a chance to dry, immediately place your Kiss false lashes on top over the liner. Pat to set lash strip in place. Repeat on the other eye. Seems simple. Okay. So we're gonna see, y'all. I'm a little scared, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it. So my first thoughts with this is I love the way that it comes out. It comes out smooth. It's not cakey. It doesn't take forever to, you know, drop down like some of these lash liners that you use. You have to like continuously shake it up for a drop to come out and you have to press it on your lid. This actually just comes out. So that is a plus for me, for sure. And I'm just giving you my review just from reviewing it right now. Easy process. Like I can't even complain. Like the lash is on there, y'all. Like it is not going nowhere. It's on there. Why y'all Kiss? Why y'all ain't come out this long, like sooner? Like what's the problems, Kiss? Why y'all didn't bring this to our attention before? Because this is a game changer for me. Like I don't have to continuously sit and, you know, tweeze this on my, I'm like, oh, I don't even have to do that because it's already on. It dries very quickly too. So I'm gonna actually put on some of my Marc Jacobs. Oh no, I'm gonna be using my NARS. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS Dramatic Lash, which is this one. And I'm gonna just put that on this one to see if it makes a difference with how the lash actually pops. And I kind of like to, you know, get it moving around a little bit before I open it up. Oh, I could already see I'm finna like you. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lash, my other lash. And I did not cut this lash, y'all. It just literally, it's just on there like. One of these days, I'm gonna be Aaliyah J good with these wings. I'm gonna be what's her name, Lyra, good with these wings, because they are like when it comes to the lash wings. Okay, the lashes and the wing. So I will let you guys know that I do recommend using a little bit of mascara before you put this on, because I feel like it kind of help your lashes blend in a little more. Your real lashes blend in with obviously the fake lashes, but that's what I would do, because I can tell the difference. From this side, it looks more darker opposed to this side. So I just went in and I put a little mascara on my natural lash to kind of, you know, make it look a little more believable. And that's what I love about this. Normally you would have to kind of like tweeze your lashes to stick to the fake lashes, but because this is not even on your lashes, it's on your skin, it's so much easier to do that. Like, you just stick it on your lash line, like that's it. You don't have to go in and actually like do all of this extra stuff right here. And really, I always felt like I was gonna plug my eye. I always felt like it was too close to my eye. And you don't have to do that now. I will say you have to let this dry. And before, you have to let this dry before like playing with this or whatever, because it is still a little sticky. Even after it's been what, like 3 minutes and it's still a little sticky, so I'm just trying this out. I will let you guys know later on in my next review how this lasted on. Like, did it melt away from sweat? I don't know. I will let you guys know in my next video if it's worth the price, because like I said, I think it was about $15.99 or something, like $14.99, something like that at Sephora. But in my next video, I will let you guys know how I like this. If I'm gonna go back and cop about 3-4 more of them, I don't know. Probably, because it was so easy. I feel like my mama could do this. Like, and I actually bought her I went to Target and bought her the Lash magnetic strips for her lashes, because she does not wear lashes, but she always wants to. But she has like really, really tiny lashes. So sis done been rocking her magnetic strip faithfully, y'all. She loves it. She tells me all the time, I'm so happy you got this for me. So this might be something that she may like, because she doesn't have to do anything. All she has to do is just put the lash glue on the lid of her eye, and she can do a small strip if she wants, just like applying eyeliner. Like, it's the same thing. And this is perfect because it's 2 for 1. You get an eyeliner and you get a lash glue. Like, who doesn't want that? I'ma wait. Who? Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I see what y'all did there. I see what y'all did there. But yeah, y'all, it's holding on. It's intact. It's not moving. Like, we're good to go. Can we get in the pool? I don't know yet. Don't do it, sis. I haven't tried it yet, okay? Don't do it. But as of right now, I do feel like this is a great purchase. Like I said, it was inexpensive, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna last for well over 2 months for this little glue and liner. And I'm pretty sure if you take care of your lashes, they will also last about 2-3 months if you clean them good, ain't cakey and all of that. Stop using the hair glue, sis. Even though I did used to love using it because it's so easy to remove. I feel like I like this glue so far. I haven't gone anywhere, sweated it off, nothing like that. But so far, I feel like I like this glue over the Dual. I feel like the Dual is so harsh on your lashes. This is just my opinion, and that's why I usually use the hair glue. But I feel like Dual is a little harsh. Girl, them things is not going nowhere. nowhere. And the person that recommended them to me, as somebody I personally know, and it was like, oh, you got to use this lash glue. Girl, your lashes is not going nowhere for a week. And that's what it's giving. You're not taking them things off right immediately. Like, they own them. They own them like some bold hoes, sis. Like, they own there, okay? This, I feel like, is a much lighter glue. It didn't, like I said, it don't feel thick or anything like that. But we'll get to the real when I take them off. Okay, so stay tuned for that. All right, when I get home, I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna see how what's really given, okay? But as of right now, this is gonna be a yes for me. I love the way it looks. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Let me go finish my makeup, okay? Okay, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is me using the Kiss Lash Glue. Like I said, I love the product so far. I'll let you guys know in my next video, my full review on it. Like always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.